Hello everyone, welcome back to Technomoon. I am Abhishek. I have worked for two EdTech companies and currently I am working at Accenture. So Accenture is back with another job for entry-level candidates. This time it's a job for content moderation. So it's basically a walk-in drive as you can see, and it's open for the position of content moderation, and it's basically ideal for the candidates who are from non-technical backgrounds. So the dates for the drive are 14th and 15th June. The registration will begin live from 10 a.m. So I will be linking the address and the location. As you can see, it's in Navi, Mumbai. So if you're looking for a entry-level job, Accenture is offering a solid start for your career. The important documents for the interview are updated resume, 2 to 3 copies, government ID proof. You can take Aadhaar card or PAN card, anything. PAN card is most preferable. And you need to take 2 passport size photographs, educational certificates like the class 10, 12 and the graduation ones. And also if you have any internship or any other experiences, that would also be very useful. So I regularly post a lot of jobs in my WhatsApp community. What you can do, you can join and you can keep looking for further updates regarding entry-level jobs for freshers. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want more job updates, you can click the link in the description. Thank you.